channel. If you guys are new here, I'm here to help you save some money. Anyways, so today is Halloween, or depends on how many days you guys watch this video, but today is Halloween and I'm already looking forward to clearance prices. So here we got the Target website, and I'm going to show you guys how to figure out when Target hits 90% off. So what I end up doing is I just type in costumes for kids, or anything that's like going to be sold in the costumes area. So like some of this Melissa and Doug stuff, you want to make sure you don't click on that stuff because that could be something that's like in the toy area. So here we have a donut costume, okay? It's for adults and kids. It's $30. We're going to click it. You want to make sure you find something that is kind of in stock in your area. The website will say it. I don't know if it'll say it after Christmas or after Halloween, but here are tons of other costumes that you guys can go to. But what we're going to do is you want to go to the DPCI number. This number right here is what we want, okay? I'm going to actually copy it, but then you're going to go to the BrickSeek website. You want to make sure I have an account. That's just what I do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on inventory checkers and I'm going to click on Target. Okay. So what you're going to do is there's that DC or DPCI number. You're going to just paste it in there. You're going to make sure your zip code is in there and you're going to check inventory. Okay. So sometimes this takes a little bit to get there. So basically you want to scroll down and you want to make sure that your area says that it has it in stock. Now it doesn't actually have to be in stock. Just look at all your stores. But this is how you guys can tell if your store has it on sale. So right now, today is Halloween. It's going to be $30. Most likely tomorrow, if you check the same number, it'll probably be $15. It's usually 50% off. And then I think in the last 2 years, Target has hit 90% off on November 5th. Now, it's hard to say with COVID because Easter, they didn't do 90% off this year, but I think they'll probably do 90 on Halloween. We will see. But so that's just how I check it out. So tomorrow I'm going to actually save this link for this website. I copied it. So then what happens is I'll just go to like Facebook Instant Messenger and I will send it to myself. So then tomorrow I will click that link, or I will save this link. But tomorrow I'll click that link and see what the price is. And I'll pretty much keep checking throughout the day what the price is over the next couple days, because it could be one price in the morning and it could be another price in the afternoon. But once I find out it is 90% off, I'm definitely going to share with you guys that. But I just wanted to share with you guys how to figure out BrickSeek. So like if we pick out another costume, let's just do this kid's mermaid wig. You can go ahead and do that. We're going to find that DPCI number. We're going to copy it. Or you can write it down, and we're going to go to BrickSeek. You're going to go all the way to the top and make sure it does say DPCI. You're going to change it, paste it, put your zip code in, check inventory. So I usually just pick one item. I mean, you guys can find different stuff if you want, but I just pick one item and I see what store has it. So one store has it and another store doesn't, but that'll tell me if both stores, the price will still change even if it's out of stock, and it'll still tell me what the price is, or what the percentage is at that store. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I think it will show if it's like 70 or 90% off here, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that so you guys are prepared to save some money. I am so excited. I have a feeling there could be some good deals this year because of COVID. I always like to buy trick-or-treat stuff, so I'm going to definitely share with you guys that. I do have another video that I'm showing you with you guys what I'm giving to the trick-or-treaters, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later.